Okay, so the next step is, let's say you are done with, you don't want to use MicroPython and you want to use the Arduino. So you need to make sure you go to the board managers to see ESP32 board is installed, in which you can install it. If it's not installed, you can go to tools, preferences. Here, select, put the JSON in from where it goes and sees all the boards. Once you put it here, you can put multiple repositories as well. First one, second one, third one. It will capture all the boards, and then those boards will start appearing in the board manager here, and you can search them and install them. Once it is installed, you can select the right board. In my case, I just selected in the ESP module, and then pick up one of the examples. So I picked the example, I use the example simple, where was it, Wi-Fi web server. This is the one that I used, and I burned it here. I put the user ID and password and all that, and then I load it. So the key thing is that when you are pushing the code from your Arduino IDE to this, you need to connect this, which is connect this ground shorted out with, when I run it, I have to do it with input 0, which is right next to this ground pin port. And the code can be pushed the moment I do that, but every time when I need to run my Arduino, now the sketch is already loaded on it, and if I want to run that sketch, I will need to unplug this cable, unplug these two pins, and then it starts to work. So once again, when you need to push the code, you will need to connect these two pins. That's why I have this wire here. I plug it in. Once the code is pushed, I unplug that, reset it, and I can see my code running.